super friends.
I know, yeah, nabanggit ko nga kanina.
Oo nga. Yes. And parang kahapon lamang. Kaya hindi ka nagbabago. It's been about 45 years that we did Music and Magic. Vicky, nandito?
Vicky, dumating?
Sweet Vicky. We love you, Vicky. Alam niyo si Fe, she came to the audition. We had an audition for the 3 backup girls of Music and Magic. And she came with wet hair. Kakagaling sa shower.
Pinilit ako mag-audition eh. Pero sinabi sa akin, 85 pesos a night. Yung mo, nag-audition ako. Malaki na yun, 1970.
Oh yeah. Ay, 85 yung sa'yo?
Sa'yo, 150 kaya
But, you know what? I have to say, I really admire Fe because she's never stopped trying to sing in tune. I'm joking. Alam niyo ba?
Oy, kahit bingi.
Bingi siya sa isang
I'm totally deaf on my left ear.
You're left. Kaya dapat nandito ako.
Pero naka-microphone. But because I had German measles when I was a baby, and I can only hear with one ear, which is my right ear.
No, pero talaga,
But I can
it
sing,
was a struggle in the beginning, but she never gave up, and look at where she is now.
Oh, thank you, cool.
She's even doing a movie in the
Yeah, in the
States,
States.
right?
Yeah, lahat na ginagawa ko sa States.
Asan yung Silya ni Fe? Asan yung Silya ni Fe? I wanna sing one more song for Fe. And for all the people that supported us, I also wanna say thank you to my Music and Magic group.
Na ayaw umakyat dito.
That was all according to God's plan na yung mga pogi naming banda.
Butch is here.
Yeah, si Butch lang pogi.
Oh, si Chen. Si
Jen,
Bobby.
lahat
No,
sila.
no, si Toto.
Yeah. Music. Yeah.